In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Facebook Business Suite is down with meta status. If you're running into issues with posting, scheduling, or accessing your dashboard, the fastest way to understand what's going on is to verify whether the problem is on Meta's side. To do that, start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to metastatus.com/FBS. This is Meta's official status page for Facebook Business Suite, and it's the most reliable source for real-time service health. Once the page loads, focus on the area that summarizes the current status of Facebook Business Suite. You'll typically see a clear indicator that shows whether everything is operating normally or if there are known problems. Think of this as your snapshot of service health. It's designed to give you an immediate sense of whether the suite is functioning as expected. Next, review the list of incidents or updates presented on the page. You're looking for any reported outages or issues. These entries often include brief descriptions and timestamps, so you can tell how recent the situation is. If the page shows that there are active reports, it means Facebook Business Suite may be experiencing an outage or degraded performance right now. In that case, the issue isn't unique to you. It's likely affecting many users, and Meta's team will be working on a fix. You generally don't need to adjust settings or troubleshoot your device when there's an active incident reported here. Waiting for updates is usually the best course. If you don't see any active incidents listed, that's a helpful clue too. No current reports typically suggest that Facebook Business Suite is up, and the problem you're experiencing may be specific to your account, device, browser, or network environment. The value of this check is that it quickly narrows down where to focus, either on Meta's side if issues are reported, or on your local setup if everything is green. A few interpretation tips as you read the page. Pay attention to the wording on each incident. Terms like investigating or identified usually indicate an active issue, while resolved or monitoring signal that the problem has been addressed. Also note the time of the last update to understand how current the information is. That's it. By visiting metastatus.com/FBS, confirming the current status and scanning for any active reports, you can immediately tell whether Facebook Business Suite is down or whether you should look into local factors on your end. This quick check can save you time and make your next steps much clearer.